Alright guys, welcome back. This is C. Just me alone, no Bud, but I have an unboxing and then wanted to talk a little about sneakers from previous videos. But let's jump right in here to this unboxing. Pretty sure I know what it is. Definitely going to be a Reebok Club C. If it's what I think it is, I'm really excited to finally get my hands on. It's I guess risque colorway or collaboration, three-way, triple company collaboration, and as you can see, it's a US 11 Club C85, and it's a triple white version. So on this triple white version, you can see it is a collaboration. Obviously, Reebok, we have the Club C85 going on here. Then also we have the hashtag FR2, which stands for Fxxxing Rabbits, which is controversial and risque, which is what this company is all about. Is the photography is wonderful, but it's all about pushing boundaries and sex appeal and all that kind of thing. Sneaker, very minimalist, but it's triple branded. It has Atmos company as well as the FR squared or FR2 with the Reebok Club C. So let's grab the other one because they aren't identical. This, yeah, that's what I was looking for. This did come from GOAT, and so it was certified and approved to be, and comes with a sticker there, and then, the GOAT punch card to verify everything there on there. So here's the other sneaker, and so same with the hashtag FR2, Reebok, same, still have the image of the Frisky rabbits, Reebok branding there, but we have different in the window. We have rabbit with the two, so rabbits or rabbit squared, I think, F'ing rabbits. So this is one of those where can't really say too much about, I suppose, in public. The nice thing is it's so subtle, no one's really going to notice anything, and unless it's called their attention. But the leather quality, supple, just really nice. I don't see any suede on this, which is fine with me. It has the lining here. They call it a faux rabbit fur lining, faux fur, white, clear, triple white, what it's called. So that is her. I did a quick review recently on the Reebok Club C Revenge. Just wanted to say size 11 fits true to size, just like they should. And I haven't found much more information about these. The special edition ones, took them apart. They do have that internal arched bandage that we've talked about with the Eames, and with, this is, I think, from the original version though, because it's an older shoe, older sneaker. Anyway, I wanted to show that internal arch bandage, and these do also fit true to size as well. So if you could guess, this is probably the one I'm most excited about. Maybe next time I'll show you what they look like on feet, or at least talk about how they fit. But excited about this one. Everybody have a great day. Be safe. C, signing out.